going to help me in this magic experiment. Better put some amount of baking soda into this balloon. So we have put almost about 1 teaspoon of baking soda into this balloon. और अब हम इसको इस bottle के ऊपर लगा देंगे and this bottle is containing vinegar inside it. Like this, you have to fit it and then you have to invert it. आपको ऐसे उलट देना and you can see the magic that the balloon is getting inflated. This is happening because of the carbon dioxide gas that is getting released due to the reaction between vinegar and
Baking soda.